The southern Japanese winter may be flying by, but our renovation progress continues to creep along. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is our dog Pancake, and we're Canadians living in an akiya, one of the many abandoned homes in Japan. While our renovation time is limited to weekend-only efforts, we're starting to see the rewards of our perseverance. We've enjoyed the fruits of our labor in the kitchen, but sealing off the rest of the house is starting to feel cramped, and we're longing for the extra space. The electricians have since straightened out our ancient and haywire electrical, clearing the way for us to clean up the wasp nests and get cracking on framing. With record-breaking snow forecast in a few days, we are on a tight schedule to complete as much as possible. But first, let's deal with those nests.
Way more than I thought there would be.
After years of unsupervised access, we finally sealed the soffits to stop critters from entering into the house.
It's more or less.
We still needed to create holes for airflow, followed by netting to keep unwanted creepy crawlies out. It was a tedious task that no one at home was particularly eager to take on.
You were right to not want to do it. I was trying to pass it off on you because I didn't want to do it. We definitely don't want bugs to get in. Maybe we'll get some tacks as well so that we can get all around the hole and really seal it up. Like that, of course. Come gaze and wonder at my work.
Oh!
Other side.
I don't get any wasps in that.
Yeah, I hope not.
If you know old Japanese houses, you know how little storage they have. And this one has particularly very little storage. To help, Jessie built a sturdy shelf above the closet, perfectly meeting our storage needs.
I made you a new bed, Mika. We're gonna have a loft bed. All this space for hiding things.
Oh, looking good. It looks sturdy. What are we gonna put up here, Jessie?
Everything. Aha. Moving down the line. Go.
The first dusting of snow arrived at the beginning of February. With even more snow forecasted to hit these southern regions of Japan, We set aside the renovation and focused on the more important task, keeping the house warm. While obtaining firewood has been one of the biggest challenges we've come across, this year it has become much easier after we found a local firewood source for a reasonable fee. A single bundle lasts us around 3 weeks, and honestly, it's worth every yen, saving us so much time and effort compared to gathering and processing our own. This year, we managed to stock up on firewood just before the snow hit, leaving us free to frolic with Pancake in his favorite frolicking conditions.
It's gonna get so cold.
It snowed here for 4 days. A nice dose of snowy weather. Having grown up between the mountains of British Columbia and the sprawling prairies of Alberta, we've become quite familiar with the snowfall that blankets those regions each winter. While the sight of snow can certainly evoke a sense of wonder, we often found that the winter season tended to last a bit too long. In contrast, our experience in southern Japan presents a more fleeting winter, one that never overstays its welcome. Before winter comes to an end, we're trying a recipe from one of our neighbors that features Nanohana, a leafy green that's a late winter staple here in Japan.
You okay for a little vegetable nappy?
When paired with Mentaiko, a fish roe marinated with chili peppers, you get this awesome spicy and sweet fusion of flavors. First, choose the tender leaves of the Nanohana. Grill the Mentaiko for about 2 to 3 minutes, just enough to heat it through. Sautée the leaves in oil until they become bright green. Remove the Mentaiko from the heat and gently mash. Finally, toss together with the Nanohana leaves and serve. The rest of the larger greens can be a bit bitter, so lightly boiling them, then sprinkling with salt helps to draw out some of that bitterness. Sautée the drained leaves, adding a splash of sake, mirin, and soy sauce for extra depth and umami. And we got a very green-rich winter diet.
Ooh, spicy.
What are some winter or spring Japanese foods you think I should try making next? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and liked the video. If you're interested in an extended version without voiceover, you can find it along with other videos on my Patreon. Until next time, bye!
Okay. What's this? Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move. His body's so warm.